everyone, всем привет! Welcome to my channel AllasYummyFood. Today I'm gonna show you how to make these delicious vegan chocolate mini desserts. They're so delicious. They're plant-based fully. They don't have any sugar, gluten, dairy or anything that you might be allergic to, and they're absolutely amazing. If you want to get access to this recipe, including 500 other amazing recipes, you can join my online cooking school at AllasYummyFood.com/recipes. I really hope you join our online cooking school, and you can find more details down below in my description box, or you can check it out on my website. Now let's get cooking. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna make our delicious passion fruit filling. Over here I've got my passion fruit puree. We're gonna go ahead and add our sweetener. You can use any sweetener of your choice. And here I've got my water with agar-agar. I'm just gonna mix this together so it's nice and smooth. Now we're gonna place our puree onto the stove and keep cooking this until it starts to boil. When it starts to boil, we're gonna add our agar-agar with water and mix everything together. We're gonna cook this for a couple of minutes until it starts to boil and becomes nice and sticky, just like so. Keep cooking it. Over here I've prepared my silicone mold with round shapes specifically for this dessert. It's really hard to create the middle without this mold. So we're gonna pour our inserts right inside, just like so. I had a little bit extra. And we're gonna place these in a fridge to set. Now to make our delicious creamy chocolate mousse, we're gonna add our silky tofu. You have to use silky tofu. Add sweetener of your choice and then blitz everything together until it's nice and smooth. Go ahead and add your vanilla extract and mix again. Keep mixing. Then add your dark melted chocolate all the way in and mix one more time. Look how beautiful it is. Add cocoa powder and mix one more time. And now you have beautiful silky mousse. I'm going to transfer my mixture into a piping bag, just like so. And over here I'm going to show you the molds I'm going to use for my dessert. You can use any molds that you like. So pipe your chocolate mousse right inside, smooth it out with a spoon so it's nice and even. And go ahead, take your ready passion fruit fillings, which have set in your fridge. They should look just like so. Super cute and adorable. And then place them upside down into your chocolate mousse. And then top your dessert with more chocolate mousse. Straighten it out, even it out, and hide your mini passion fruit filling and place them into the freezer. After several hours, just go around with your knife and take out your desserts. And they will just pop out from your mold, just like so. They look absolutely gorgeous already. You can eat them just like this, or I decided to decorate with more dark chocolate and to add some passion fruit pulp. You have to decorate pretty quickly as the chocolate sets and freezes so fast. But look how gorgeous they are. I'm just gonna show you how it looks inside. Isn't this absolutely amazing? Beautiful vegan chocolate passion fruit mini cakes. I hope you enjoy these.